Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new, I am Becky. This is going to be the starting of my maintenance vlog. So I am currently on the road. It's 8:19. I have an appointment for 8 o'clock, so I'm about to go inside to get my lashes done. The lash girl is like 45, so an hour away from I am, but I like to go to her because she's really good and I'm always pleased with my lashes. So you guys will also see me get my nails done, my toes, a pedicure, and I will also get my hair done, and more than likely I will also get a facial. So I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn your post notifications on so that you can be notified whenever I post. Stay tuned.
On my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey, hey. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I'm making her wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I know my guys I wouldn't trade, ayy. From the cradle to the grave, ayy. Gordo got me on a wave, ayy. And got me on a way. Couple hits, now you brave. What? You niggas better behave. But all that pumping up your chest. But all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it get. Ay, ay. You know how sticky it get. Ay, you know how sticky it get. Ay, you know how sticky it get. Ay, she want me to play with that cat. Ay, she love how I'm making her wet. Ay, you know how sticky it get. Ay. Yeah. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millioned. I did. The toughest act that follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap. Virgil came back through the boy. Damn, that's something.
Guys, look at my lashes. Oh my god, you see it, so beautiful. So yeah, I love them. She always does an amazing job, and I'm so pleased with my lashes. I'm about to head back to Macon. I'm so hungry, so I got myself a cheese patty and a June plum juice. So I'm gonna eat my. Me not have no money, so I'm about to eat my food and head back to Macon, guys. So I will talk to you once I'm there. Guys, so I'm back at Stuart's Hardware. I'm trying to get some recess lights. I've been to 3 places already and it's so difficult and not getting the one that I want, so I'm hoping that I can get it right here because I'm so tired and exhausted. So I'm trying to see. Anna, this year I call. This year I can't school. You know I'm not on the show.
Well, yeah, because I'm going to my name.
You have nothing doing it? Yeah, so I won't be able to get it here either because they don't have it. Hey guys, so it is the following day and I'm about to go on the road to get my hair done and my nails done. I was supposed to do my nails yesterday, but the nail tech called that she's not feeling well, so I had to reschedule for today. So I'm about to go on the road. It is 12:17, so yeah, I'm gonna leave out now and be back soon because I don't want to spend all day out there. So the hairstyle that I'm gonna get, it's an trendy updo style with, you know, 2 curly bangs, something real cute. I won't talk much on it, but you will see it. See you when I get there. Hey guys, so this maintenance vlog is literally all over the place. I am so sorry for that. I just went down the stairs and come back, so let me just catch my breath. So unhealthy. Anyways guys, as I'm saying, this maintenance vlog is literally all over the place. In the last clip, you guys saw me do my hair and stuff. I was supposed to do my nails, but look at this. My nail is still not done. Anyways, long story short, she canceled again because she's really not well, and you know, that's a natural thing, so nobody to be blamed. I'm just waiting on my turn to get my nails done. I just came on here to show you guys in my room. Oh my god, like I made some changes to my room. I'm gonna show you guys. I made some changes to my room. I redid my ceiling. I got this beautiful design with some glitter on it, and I also changed the color of my room from pink to gray. It is so beautiful and I absolutely love it. So I have some more things that I want to get done to my room, like, you know, to take out some of these furnitures, and I want to get an open concept closet. However, I'm not able to do that right now because, you know, things are really expensive here in Jamaica. Not just Jamaica, but things are really expensive. So if you can't do it at once, you have to do it like in stages. So let me show you guys what my room looks like now, and it's a bit messy or whatever because I'm in the process of cleaning, because I had to take out all of this stuff to allow the guys to come in just to do the ceiling and to paint. So I just moved back the stuff into the room. So I'm in the process of cleaning, so you guys will see everything, but let me show you guys the color. So this is a color, this is the gray color that I got. These are the pictures, you know, of me. It's like a canvas I got for my birthday. And look at the ceiling. Oh my god, isn't this beautiful? All right, let me get back out here. So yeah, this is really beautiful and it matches with my tile. As you guys can see, my bed isn't spread just yet. I think I'm gonna put my gray sheets on. Hopefully I can find it because I don't keep everything in one place, so it's not easy to find. However, I've put my basket there with my clean clothes, and I did organize back. These are my two little makeup kits, and these are my glasses, my camera case, some books, and this is my little spray collection. I have a lot more body splash, but I just don't keep them on my dresser. These are the ones I use most of the time. So wait, oh my god, I'm getting a call. Hello? Alright, Malcolm. Yeah, guys, I just got a call. So I'm gonna go to the post office trying to get a letter, and then I'll be back. So we're just gonna clean up my little space, clean up my shoes and stuff. We're gonna do that together, so you're gonna see the process. And then once I get my nails done and my other stuff for the maintenance, you guys will see that. Okay,
lot of drama we go through, you know. Always got to be something, 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 you know.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K.
so guys, I am back. These are the letters that I got. Thought it would be one, but it's a whole lot of things. So now, as I said, I'm going to clean my shoes and put them like under my dresser and stuff. So we're gonna do that together. There's some of my shoes. These are all the ones that are gonna go under the shelves. So I am just going to not wash them, but like wipe them off and basically dry them and put them under the shelf. So this is the water here with the little cloth that I'm gonna use. So let's get into it. Okay, so that is the final product. I put most of my sneakers under here under the dresser, and then I have some of my heels right here. Storage is my biggest problem. Like, I don't have anywhere to put all of these.
I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, needing, gonna make a move now.
have this Boho Knotless. Now I'm getting some growth oil. Period. Cool. She got some women make a skin. Put on my shoes.
Love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear, just relax and let me make.
Moved out of state, shit doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you, the rest instead of me on this shit. You know you're important and shit. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got more of this shit.
I just made it home from my nail appointment and I absolutely love my nails. Like, this is what the nails is looking like. It's taking a major focus. So I did get 2 glitter on these 2 fingers right here, and then the rest of the spiderweb design. I know that Halloween is over, but I'm not doing this for Halloween. I just love me some black nails and I didn't want it to get full black nails, so I decided to go with this design that I found, and it's super cute. The length is perfect and I absolutely love it. So this is where I would end off the maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys would have saw me do my hair, my nails, my lashes and other stuff in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and share the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.